y'all, and welcome back to the channel. I'm Lynn, and in today's video we're showing y'all how to make homemade baking powder. Using just a few ingredients that you probably already have in your kitchen, you can make homemade baking powder so you don't have to run out and buy some if you're trying to make a cake and you just figure out you don't have any baking powder. There's a trick that you can do using ingredients that you already have to make it. It's fast and easy. Come on, and I'm going to show you how. Okay, y'all, you're going to need just a couple ingredients to make this homemade baking powder. You'll need some cream of tartar, some baking soda, and some cornstarch. Okay, y'all, let's turn around here and make our homemade baking powder. Okay, this is what we keep our baking powder in, and I need to refill it. So I thought it would be a great time to show y'all again how you can make yourself some homemade baking powder. We're going to start off with 2 tablespoons of the cream of tartar. So if you're ever making a cake and you run out of baking powder and you think you got to go get some, you can actually do this. If you've got cream of tartar, baking soda, and cornstarch, you can make your own baking powder. And then we're going to put 2 tablespoons of the baking soda. Now, we just have the Arm & Hammer. You could even use the Dollar General brand or even like an off-brand. I've used that before also. And then for the cornstarch, we're going to put 1 teaspoon of cornstarch. And we're going to level that off. I like using the cornstarch because it'll just keep it from like sticking together. Now, you don't have to use the cornstarch. You could leave that out. But that right there is how simple and easy it is to make homemade baking powder. And now we're going to fill our little container up. I might make a half more. I think I'm going to make a half of another batch to get it all the way full. So I'll just go ahead and do it with y'all right here. I'm going to add 1 more tablespoon of the cream of tartar. And 1 tablespoon of the baking soda. I just want to fill my container up. What I should have done was just double it, but I didn't want to make too much where I couldn't get it in there. And then we're going to do a half a teaspoon this time of the cornstarch. And give that a mix. And I think that'll be just enough to finish filling my little jar. Okay, that's right where I wanted it. So now we have ourselves a container of homemade baking powder using what we have to make our own to save money. Okay, y'all, that was such a quick little video. I knew it wouldn't take long, but I think it's worth sharing how to make homemade baking powder. It's easy and simple. So the next time you're making a cake or you're doing some kind of baking and you don't have baking powder, you don't have to drop everything and run out to Walmart or wherever, Ingles, to get it. You can make it yourself using what you have. Just 3 ingredients is all it takes. It's fast and easy. If you like our video on homemade baking powder, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Like, share, and subscribe if you hadn't already. Thanks for watching.